Okay, unfortunately I hit the button, so there you have it. So this is right here. Let's get this out of the sun if we can. What a pain in the neck. Everything is giving us a glare anyway. One of the hazards to working outside, I guess. So this right here, we're watching the positive and negative side of the high-speed data line. Okay, pins 6 and 14 right there in the DLC. Okay, now if we go ahead and move one of these, we're going to change that pattern. Now, why does the pattern change? Well, that's a great question. So we're working with 2.5 volts nominal, right, for the high speed line. For the low speed line, which is what I've tapped into, pin 1, the serial data line, right? Okay. Ooh, the internal battery is low. All right, well, we'll have to fix that, won't we? At any rate, as you can see, we're moving from 2.5 up and 2.5 down here on serial data, and the other one is moving from 0 to 5 volts. So that's why that pattern looks so interestingly different, okay? See, as you can see here, we're not exceeding 4.5 volts or 5 volts right in that neighborhood, but we're starting here from 0. This middle pattern starts from 2.5, okay? Same thing if we switch back, we go from 2.5 up and 2.5 down, right? So we go up to 4 and down to 1.5. So if we go ahead and want to diagnose this, and I'm going to kick this off for now because it's about to die anyway. What we wind up with is, when we look at this circuit, and I'm going to show you here in just a second. Okay. So if we look at this circuit, okay, there we go. I need a ground. There we go. Now we've got it. Okay, so the truck's on, right? So if we look at this, it shows right at 2 3/4 volts, right? Okay, this one's going to be somewhere, yeah, there, about 2 1/4 volts, right? It's moving so fast we can't watch it with the meter. Now let's look at serial data. This one we've got a better shot at, don't we? We can see it cycle up and down, and the voltage is actually changing. It's a 0 to 5 volt, and it communicates a lot slower than the other. So as a result, that one we can actually see doing a little bit of movement. Okay, now as we recall, the serial data, which is what we're on right now, pin 1, right? That one's a star connector. So if we lose any one leg of that, we'll only lose one module. But if we short it, if we short any leg of that module, then we lose all of it, don't we? Then all of that goes away. So that's no good. So we're gonna do a little deal here. I just wanted you guys to see that. I'm gonna hook up the MDI again, and I'm going to show you the that diagnostic tool for the oh, that was good.